Hi, this is Blaine Burley with Plotmaster Systems, and today we're going to be talking about planting small food plots for harvesting big deer. I tell you what, I can't overemphasize the importance of planting these small plots in there if you want to harvest really big deer. And when I'm talking small plots, I'm talking anywhere from a quarter acre to probably half acre. I try to find out where my bedding areas are for my deer, where they hang out most of the time, and then I'll try to put a food plot in there as close to that bedding area as possible. It increases your chances of harvesting these big deer during legal hunting now because they don't have to travel very far. They can step right out of the cover into these small food plots. My family and I, we've had tremendous success over the years. Myself and my 3 kids, we have all taken our largest bucks here in Georgia over these small food plots. So I really like hunting these small food plots, taking this food to the deer in there. And I like this Plotmaster. I tell you, it's perfect for planting these small plots in these areas. For more information on planting food plots for wildlife, you can go to our website at plotmasters.com.